Hey, Dave here. Hey, welcome to my vlog. And this is basically my vlog on my drones. Well, we're coming to a point in drone history here, because it looks like we're going to lose DJI in the United States. And it's going to affect a lot of companies. It's going to affect a lot of drone enthusiasts, because you can't touch a DJI drone. Personal use, for industrial use, 7th of December 2025, and supposedly on the 20th the doors for DJI are going to be closed to the United States. Which means if you have a drone, you need to update the firmware as soon as possible. Now I've already done the firmware update on my Mavic and the Mini 2. So I guess I'm covered for the time being. The wife found another drone for me that she decided she was going to get me for Christmas, and that is the year-old DJI Nano. It does not require registration. It only weighs like 150 something grams. As long as it's under 250 grams, it doesn't have to be registered with the FAA. But to do these videos, doesn't matter what drone it is, I have to have a drone license to put my videos up. Aerial photography videos up on YouTube. Just doing, unboxings, don't need it. But for any aerial photography, putting it up on YouTube and making money off of it is considered a commercial endeavor. That drone has to be registered. You have to have a license. Unfortunately, my drone license ran out this month, a year ago. I gotta get it renewed. It's like a 2-hour test. A couple hours of reviewing and then taking the final. Now, to get your initial, it's going to run you about $150, because you got to study and you're going to have to go through a company that's going to give you all the information. In fact, you can probably get that on the FAA's website. My wife purchased me the DJI Neo for Christmas. It's got to be updated. It's a year old, of course. Firmware needs to be updated. So she gave it to me. She said, you can open it up and you can go ahead and do the updates, but I want it back because I'm going to wrap it. Here it is. Let's see what we got. This is the brand new Nano. It's out about a year now. They've actually come out with the Nano 2. Sorry about that. I got Nano in my head. That is their camera. The Neo 2 has obstacle avoidance. This does not. But the Nano 2, Neo 2. If you're careful when you're flying, you don't have to. You don't need it. This is actually a whole kit. I didn't know what she got me, but I do now. That's awesome. The Nano The blades are fully enclosed, so you don't have to worry about situations with flying over people, okay? It's got a controller by hand, and it's got a set of goggles to go with it. You don't have to stick your phone, get your app on your phone, and then stick in a set of goggles and go from there. I've always hated that. So, these goggles will also adapt to my Mini 2. Right now, if you're looking to get a drone, you need to make sure you do. There is install DJI Fly app, which is necessary. DJI Fly app. Watch video tutorials and read user manual. Of course. Look at this little sucker. You don't even need a controller to use it. You can do hand gestures. Look how big that is. It's about the size of your phone. Full aerial. They say about 11 or 12 minutes of flight time. Awesome. All right. Charging post. Nope, pack them out. There you go, there's the goggles. That's freaking awesome. USBs. Alright, so gonna have to charge everything, I guess, huh? You don't want to draw unless you can do first person. I don't know. Do that. So, and this is the main reason, because you've got to get your firmware up to date on everything. If you don't know what's going to happen after the 20th. This is now the 7th. So. We're going to get the nano. It's about a quarter. It's about a quarter smaller than the 2. Fellow guards come off, but you know what you need to. This can do, you can take off with your hand just by selecting what you want here. I did a little bit of reading on it before. Okay, well there's your battery. Charge the battery before activating, or charge the battery. Alright, that's good. It's got a C. It's got a C charger for it. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and charge that up. Right here. No, there's your hand controller right there. Okay, that's some spare blades. The Nano 2's blades are curved. They look really, look really gnarly, should I say. Oh. There's your complete DJI packet. Memory card. Put it in there. Ooh, she got me a 3-pack. There's your charger pack. There's 3 of them in here. Okay, so you're only going to need how to charge the batteries. Okay, let's charge the batteries outside the drone. But you can charge the battery while it's in the drone. Yeah. This all here. I'll go ahead and charge it. All right, so here we are. This is the DJI Neo, excuse me, not Nano. Nano. The Nano is the camera side of it. This is the Neo. I don't know what's got off my head there. This is the DJI Neo. This is the smallest DJI drone, and they've even improved on it now with the Neo 2. So, all right, thanks for watching, and we will catch you on the next Dana's Vlogs. And this was the unboxing of the DJI Neo. And of course, with any of the DJI, you're going to have to download the app for it. DJI Fly or DJI 4. There's one other one, but let's get this. In this case, this is flown by the DJI app. I think it's the same one as the one I got right now on here. All right, we're back. Now everything essential here is charged. Your remote handle, the goggles. Now when you charge up the goggles, they're gonna blink, and then when they're fully charged, you'll have a full red or a full green light. It'll be solid. This one here, you're not gonna have any light on when it's full. And now charging the 3-pack, but I've already got one battery already fully charged, because you saw me when I unboxed it. I went ahead and plugged it in and charged the battery in the drone. Okay. So what this is doing is it's going from right to left when they charge. So next step is going to be making sure they all communicate
and if there is a firmware update, it's going to let us know.